Get ready for the AI revolution that's changing the game. Discover the top AI tools that will impact your daily life and get a head start on mastering the latest tech trends. We're living in an era where artificial intelligence is no longer just science fiction. It's here, it's now, and it's transforming every aspect of our lives. From the way we work to the way we live, AI is revolutionizing the future at an unprecedented pace. But what does that mean for you? How can you stay ahead of the curve and harness the power of AI to boost your productivity, creativity, and innovation? The answer lies in understanding the latest advancements in AI technology and how they're being applied in real-world scenarios. That's exactly what we'll be exploring in this video. The top AI tools that will shape the future of work, entertainment, healthcare, and more. We'll delve into the world of machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision, and show you how these cutting-edge technologies are being used to solve some of humanity's most pressing challenges. So, if you're ready to unlock your full potential and tap into the limitless possibilities of AI, then buckle up. Over the next few minutes, we'll be diving into the future of AI and revealing the top tools that will change the game. Let's get started on this revolutionary journey together. Welcome back to the future, folks. We're just 2 years away from 2026, and I'm here to give you the lowdown on the AI tools that are going to revolutionize your life. First things first, let's talk about why we need these AI tools in the first place. Did you know that by 2025, over 70% of all data will be generated by machines? That's right, machines. And if we're not careful, those machines are going to make us look like dinosaurs. But don't worry, I've got your back. In this tutorial series, we're going to master the basics of AI and get you ready for the future. It all starts with understanding what AI is and how it works. Think of AI like a super smart robot that can learn from data and improve its performance over time. Now, let's talk about some of the most basic but powerful AI tools out there. We've got machine learning algorithms that can recognize patterns in data and make predictions based on that data. We've also got natural language processing that lets us communicate with machines like they're people. But here's the thing, AI isn't just for techies anymore. It's for anyone who wants to automate tasks, improve productivity, or even create art. And the best part? These tools are accessible to everyone, regardless of your level of expertise. So, are you ready to join the AI revolution? Let's dive in and explore some of these amazing tools together. In our next video, we're going to take a closer look at how machine learning algorithms can help us solve real-world problems. Stay tuned. Welcome back, Tech Fam. We're diving into the wild world of AI and exploring how it's changing our daily lives. From your morning coffee to your evening commute, AI is sneaking up on us, and we're not even noticing. Let's talk about virtual assistants like Alexa or Google Home. You know, those voice-controlled superstars that make your life easier with just a few simple commands. Well, did you know that 70% of all smart homes will be powered by AI-powered virtual assistants by the end of 2026? But it's not just about your home. AI is transforming industries like healthcare and finance. For instance, AI algorithms can analyze medical images to detect diseases earlier than human doctors. We're talking about life-saving tech here. And in the financial world, AI-powered chatbots are helping customers get faster support and resolving issues 75% quicker. And let's not forget about those AI-powered smart cities. Imagine a city where traffic lights adjust to optimize flow based on real-time data. That's right, AI is making our urban lives more efficient, safer, and even cleaner. But what does this mean for you? Well, it means that AI will be changing the way we work, live, and interact with each other. And I want to hear from you. What are some ways you think AI can improve your daily life? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more exciting tech updates and get ready to revolutionize your future. Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the AI wars. No, not the Terminator movies, but the real deal. The battle of the bots is heating up, and I'm here to break down the top AI tools that are changing the game. Let's start with Google Cloud AI Platform. This powerhouse offers a suite of machine learning services that make it easy to build, deploy, and manage your AI models. But what really sets it apart? Its automatic model tuning feature, which can save you up to 50% on training time. That's like finding a shortcut through the woods, you still get there faster. Next up is Microsoft Azure Machine Learning. This tool offers a more streamlined experience for data scientists and engineers who want to build AI models quickly and efficiently. And did you know that it integrates seamlessly with popular tools like R and Python? It's like having your favorite toolbox in one place. Now, let's talk about Amazon SageMaker Autopilot. This feature takes the guesswork out of building AI models by providing automatic hyperparameter tuning and model selection. That's like having a personal assistant for your AI projects. No more trial and error. But what really gets me excited is the potential for these tools to disrupt industries like healthcare, finance, and education. The possibilities are endless. So which one will you choose? Stay tuned to find out as we dive deeper into these AI powerhouses in just a minute. So, we've taken a sneak peek into what's cooking in the world of AI for 2026, and let me tell you, it's going to be wild. From the integration of AI with our daily lives through smart homes and cities, to the rise of digital twins that mirror our entire ecosystems, the possibilities are endless. We're also expecting huge advancements in natural language processing, enabling us to have more human-like conversations with machines. And for those in the medical field, we'll see significant breakthroughs with AI-assisted diagnosis and personalized treatment plans. But here's the thing, with great power comes great responsibility. As AI continues to advance, it's crucial that we prioritize ethics and accountability in its development. We need to ensure that these powerful tools are used for the greater good, not just to further the interests of corporations or governments. And speaking of predictions, I want to leave you with a thought-provoking question. As AI becomes an integral part of our daily lives, will we see a shift towards a post-scarcity economy? A world where technology makes resources so abundant that traditional notions of work and money become obsolete. The implications are mind-blowing, and one thing's for sure, the future is going to be full of surprises. So, what do you think? Are you ready to join the AI revolution? Like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts on the future of artificial intelligence. Let's keep the conversation going. See you in the next video.